we are live.
Hello guys, happy Tuesday.
Hi everyone.
It's day.
It's around half 11, I think, in here. So
Very windy.
good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever parts of the world you are watching us from. Well, today we just want to share with you what we our what where we are at the moment, and we are just really grateful that we just finished
We finished our
our
90-day
90-day challenge last Sunday,
Yes,
and we received our certificates.
yes, we did.
Yeah. So, as what we have said, we are going to continue doing go lives
Once every
once every few
so
days. So, here we are. We are in Brave Seaside. So, we're going to show you the view. It's really lovely. So, it is a cloudy day today, and it's very quite windy and it's quite cold. That one is
Bray Hill.
Bray, and that one is
It's a you have to
as
walk.
you can see that cross.
There's a few people up there.
So people goes there to see the very amazing view from the top. So we were able to go there on the top. I think it's few years ago.
It takes quite a long time because of the path, but it's
Yeah.
worth it. It's a good exercise.
It is a good exercise, and it's a breathtaking view from there. So look at this, guys. It's very relaxing here. The air is very fresh, and I'm just really grateful that through this business we can bring our business with us wherever we go. So, and I have this great news from myself. I didn't realize that I received my payday, equivalent to 2 weeks of my job. So,
3-figure pay.
yes, 3-figure payday. I'm just really grateful for that. And I have inquiries coming every now and then. So, I'm just really grateful that through what we're doing, we are helping people.
To have a chance to change their life.
Yeah. So, yeah, and I'm going to reach my milestone. I already
You reached your
I
fourth
reached my 4th milestone, and I'm really grateful for that. Blessings are pouring. I'm so grateful, guys. So,
Now she can start earning 4 figures. Yeah.
yay! So look at this, guys. So people are here to just relax. Look,
enjoy
they
life.
are with their
Children or their parents.
Yeah. So guys, since today is Tuesday,
Live webinar, guys.
yes. Live webinar every Tuesday and Thursday.
At 5 p.m. PST and 1 a.m. Ireland UK time.
Yes, and 8 a.m. Philippine time. So you can Google your time zone, guys, and this is really a life-changing opportunity that we are sharing with you. So don't be scared to check our business.
You got nothing to lose, but
Everything to gain. It's risk-free, guys. It's risk-free. You can
You just have to register.
register on our links. Mine is www.rosellampilocchio.com.
Mine is www.kirstenampilocchio.com.
And we will send you an email for the link to watch our live complimentary webinar. And if you're not able to watch the live one, you can still
watch the replay.
Yes.
And the email may be in the junk or spam folder.
Yes, so check your spam or junk folder when you didn't receive it on your inbox, guys. So thank you for supporting us. Thank you for watching us, and hope to see you on the inside.
Bye.
Bye, guys.